Hainan chicken rice. I've heard so much about you. Alright, so behind me over here is the Maxwell Food Center. I'm here today to try out the best Hainan chicken rice here in Singapore. About a week ago, before I came to Singapore, I was on my social media page and I was asking my friends whether they have anything that they want to recommend for me to try out here in Singapore. And two of my friends from Singapore and one of my uncle who regularly comes here, they all recommended me this same place, this chicken rice place called Tian Tian here in Maxwell Hawker Center. So, you know, I just gotta come and check it out. All right, so that's enough talking. I'm gonna go inside, I'm gonna queue up, and I'm gonna get my chicken rice. Can I get the chicken rice medium?
Medium.
Thank you. All right, so this is the Hainan chicken rice here at Tian Tian. Let's try this out. I've heard so much good stuff about this, so okay. Very, very juicy. Very juicy. Oh my god. There's no bones in the meat, so it's very easy to... Alright, I'm gonna try this with the chili sauce. I think I'm supposed to mix it with the rice. I'm not really sure how I'm supposed to. Maybe I'm supposed to dip the chicken inside the chili sauce, but I've seen pictures on the internet showing that you're supposed to mix the chili sauce with the rice and eat it with the chicken. Oh, this is good. Yeah, I'm gonna need more of this. And just to get the perfect little bite, you know, get a little bit of chili sauce, chicken, you know, just mix it all together. I think this is perfect. I think I might order another plate.